All right, everybody, welcome back. Ever feel like you're constantly cleaning?
It never ends, right?
It's like the second you finish one thing, something else pops up.
Yeah.
Well, get ready to dive into a world where uh, AI might just take over those chores because today we're unpacking AI-powered cleaning.
And we're not just talking about those robot vacuums you see everywhere. This is about AI changing, like the entire cleaning game, from everyday stuff to some seriously high-tech things in places like, hospitals.
And our guide to this future of sparkly clean is Chatgpt in der Reinigungsbranche.pdf, which, by the way, is in German.
Always love a good linguistic challenge.
All right. Got to keep things interesting. But yeah, this text dives into how AI is totally transforming the cleaning industry.
And what's really cool is it goes beyond just like listing the tech. It digs into the bigger picture, like how this tech could actually change things.
Okay, see, now you've got me intrigued. So let's talk about how AI is actually being used right now.
Okay, so think about like how many times you've stressed about cleaning schedules. Trying to remember when you last mopped, did you take out the trash? AI can take all that mental load off your plate. Imagine, say, a big office building. AI could optimize the entire cleaning schedule.
Wait, so instead of just having a set schedule, it's like adjusting on the fly.
Exactly. It could use data like building usage, peak hours, even the weather.
Hold on, the weather. You're telling me my office building knows if it's raining and then sends out more cleaners because of it?
Yeah. The source talks about how AI could switch cleaning from reactive to proactive. It anticipates what's needed before it even becomes a problem. So this building, it probably has sensors that track how many people are coming and going. More rain means more people trying to stay dry, which of course means dirtier floors.
Wow, that's uh, way smarter than I ever thought office buildings were.
Yeah.
This whole predictive cleaning thing is blowing my mind a little.
Right. And it makes you realize just how much potential AI has to not just, clean, but to do it in a way that's like actually efficient.
Totally.
And this whole proactive approach isn't just about like scheduling. The source also talked about predictive maintenance, which is basically using AI to, you know, predict and prevent problems with cleaning equipment before they actually happen.
Okay, so my washing machine breaks down like once a year. Is AI going to save me a trip to the laundromat?
Well, potentially. Imagine your washing machine has sensors that are constantly tracking its performance, how many cycles it's run, its energy use, even the vibrations it's making. All that data goes to the AI. So, say it detects like a tiny change in the motor's vibration. That could be an early warning sign that it's about to fail.
So instead of my washing machine like dramatically dying mid-cycle, this AI could warn me ahead of time, maybe even order a replacement part before I even know there's an issue.
Exactly. And it's not just for household appliances. This could be used for those like industrial-sized cleaning systems they have in skyscrapers, making sure they're always running smoothly.
Talk about working smarter, not harder.
Okay, this is already blowing my mind, but I gotta know, what about hospitals? Like where cleanliness is absolutely crucial.
That's where things get even more interesting, because even the smallest change in hygiene can make a huge difference in a hospital. This is where AI-powered cleaning robots come in.
All right, let's talk robots. And I'm not talking about those little Roombas bumping around. We're talking like high-tech germ zapping machines, right?
You got it. This source specifically mentioned the Xenix germ zapping robot.
Okay, even the name sounds like it's straight out of sci-fi.
Right. But this thing is real, and it's
Right.
actually being used in hospitals already. It uses powerful UVC light to disinfect surfaces.
Hold up. UVC light. What is that and how does it actually kill germs? So UVC light, it basically works by going right through the outer membrane of bacteria and viruses. It scrambles their DNA so they can't reproduce.
So this robot is just roaming around, blasting germs with DNA-destroying light. That's way cooler than I imagined.
And the AI makes it even more effective. It figures out the most efficient path for the robot, making sure it doesn't miss a spot. It's like giving your cleaning crew, superpowers.
Okay, so we've got these robots running around zapping germs with super-powered light beams. Like, what will they think of next?
Right. And it really shows you how this technology isn't about replacing the human cleaners. It's more like giving them a super-powered helper, to take care of those like really important but kind of risky jobs.
Yeah, that makes sense. But speaking of jobs, we've been talking a lot about like offices and hospitals, big places. But what about using AI to personalize cleaning for, different needs?
You're talking about personalized cleaning, and it's actually something this source gets into.
Okay, hold on. Personalized cleaning.
Oh,
Is that like my AI judging my super dusty bookshelves?
Not exactly, but think about it this way. You have one office building with tons of natural light and another one that's mostly lit artificially. You're going to have different cleaning needs in each building.
Oh, yeah, of course. You probably have way more dust in the one with all the sunlight.
See, the AI can actually factor in those details when it's coming up with, like, a custom cleaning plan. It can even look at what kind of business it is.
So, like, a busy restaurant kitchen is going to need a much different cleaning routine than, say, a bookstore.
Exactly. It's all about moving away from that, like, one-size-fits-all approach and using AI to make spaces cleaner, healthier, and tailored to the specific needs of that space, whether it's your office, a hospital, or even just your house.
Now, you mentioned cleaning products, and
Yeah.
that made me think about, well, the environment. Like, isn't there a way AI could help us clean in a way that's, better for the planet?
Absolutely. This source actually talks about how AI can be used to pick out the most effective cleaning products, but also make sure they're not, terrible for the environment.
So instead of me spending an hour in the cleaning aisle at the store, completely overwhelmed by all the choices, my AI cleaning assistant will just be like, get this one. It's the best for your weird shower grout, and it won't destroy the planet.
That's the idea, maximizing how well it cleans while minimizing the impact on the environment.
Now, that's a future I can get behind.
Mhm.
But okay, this all sounds great, but it does make you wonder about the whole, jobs thing. Like, what happens when the AI is cleaning everything? What happens to the people who do those jobs?
It's a good question, and it's something our source definitely talks about. But the main takeaway is that AI in cleaning isn't about replacing human jobs altogether. It's about, like, changing how those jobs work.
So instead of being afraid of AI, we should be thinking about it more as a partner, like a really advanced tool that lets people work better and safer.
Exactly. Think about it. AI can handle those jobs that are, super repetitive and physically demanding, like vacuuming those giant hotel hallways or cleaning skyscraper windows.
And let's be honest, those aren't the jobs most people are going to miss doing.
Exactly. This means human cleaners can focus on the really specialized stuff, like delicate surfaces or, sensitive areas. They might even end up being the ones who, like, manage and oversee the AI systems.
So it's like AI is going to elevate the whole cleaning game.
Right. No more fighting over who has to scrub the toilet.
Ugh, the dream. But speaking of the future, this all has me wondering, what other crazy cleaning innovations are coming?
Well, this source actually talked about that, and some of it honestly sounded like something out of a movie.
Okay, I'm listening. Give me those futuristic cleaning montages.
Imagine, like, smart systems that just handle everything. So robots are doing the vacuuming, obviously, but then the AI is also keeping track of your cleaning supplies. You'll never run out of dish soap again. It could even, like, order more for you.
Okay, no, that's just smart.
Right. And it gets even better. Those sensors we talked about, they could be in everything. Your dishwasher, your oven, even your vacuum cleaner. Tracking everything so you don't have to, like, imagine your oven just cleaning itself after you use it.
Okay, hold on.
Ah,
A self-cleaning oven that actually works? I'd sign up for that right now.
right. And it's not just about convenience. Those sensors could be monitoring your dishwasher's water quality, the
No.
filter in your vacuum, actually making sure all your appliances are running smoothly.
I gotta admit, the thought of my house basically cleaning and managing itself is, well, amazing. It would free up so much time and energy.
Yeah.
But it also makes you wonder, if AI can do all this stuff for us, what does that mean for us, as humans?
It's the big question, isn't it? And honestly, I don't think there's a simple answer. But what this deep dive shows us is that the future of cleaning is going to be all about figuring out how to work with AI, not against it, and using it to make things cleaner, healthier, and hopefully a little less stressful.
Well said. So after diving deep into this world of AI-powered cleaning, I think the big question is this really the future? Are we all going to look back and wonder how we ever survived without AI scrubbing our toilets and ordering our cleaning supplies?
It's definitely a possibility. But hey, maybe the real question is, what amazing things will you do with all the extra time you'll have when you're not cleaning?
That's something to think about. On that note, we'll leave you all to ponder a future of self-cleaning ovens and AI cleaning assistants. Until next time, keep it clean.